Now we discuss the torque. What is the torque? Torque is the turning effect of a single force applied at a distance from the axis of rotation. Here we take the axis of rotation and applied force F involve one force cause rotation, produce rotation about an axis or pivot point. Formula is equal to torque is equal to force into multiply by perpendicular distance. So here we write torque is equal to R cross F. If we discuss the example, torque can cause rotational and translational motion. Here we discuss the example. Example is turning a wrench with one hand. Now we discuss the couple. What is a couple? A couple is a system of two equal and opposite forces whose line of action do not coincide. Involve two forces acting in opposite direction. Here we take the two forces, that is line of action is different. The line of action is do not coincide, that to produce the couple. Produce pure rotation without translational motion. If we talk about a formula, couple is equal to force multiplied by distance between the forces. So here we write that couple is equal to F cross D. If we talk about it, example, turning a steering wheel with both hands. Now we discuss the first condition of equilibrium. Sum of all the forces acting on the body is 0. So here we write summation of F is equal to 0, which means that sum of forces along x-axis is equal to 0 and sum of forces along y-axis is equal to 0. Now we discuss the second condition of equilibrium. What is the second condition of equilibrium? Sum of all the torque acting on the body is 0. So summation of all the torque acting on the body is 0, which means that summation of clockwise torque is equal to summation of anti-clockwise torque. Now we discuss the topic that is the complete equilibrium. For complete equilibrium, both the first and second condition of equilibrium must be satisfied. Translational equilibrium only when net force is equal to 0 and net acceleration is equal to 0. Rotational equilibrium only when all net torque is equal to 0 and angular net acceleration is equal to 0.